guys, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. The last time I seen you guys, I was right here in my bathroom showing you guys my curly hair routine. Well, since then, I've definitely gotten my hair dyed. I've definitely gotten my hair cut by Miss Hyatt in Dallas. I'm gonna link her Instagram name right up here. And you know, I've done a lot of things since then. So this last time I have not straightened my hair in almost a year. It's been since April of last year of 2017, and I really wanted to check out my growth considering I haven't straightened my hair and I haven't done anything with it since I got it cut. I was definitely excited to straighten my hair because as naturals, you know, when you straighten your hair, it's a lot easier to deal with your hair once you have straightened it because it's a lot easier to wrap it and take it down, and it's less maintenance than having to wear it curly because wearing your hair natural is a job, like a job in itself. It's just gonna be honest with you, it's a job, okay? Yeah. So, I am about to take my hair from straight back to curly. I've had my hair straight for the past 4 weeks. So that's about a month that my hair has been straight. I have not re-washed it. I have not re-straightened it. I have added a little bit of heat, but I made sure that I used some heat protectants. I've used a little bit of a dry shampoo just to make sure that I could keep as much of the oil at bay. And I used a lot of Argan oil in between time just to give my hair some shine and to give my hair some moisture, because with color, my hair tends to dry out a little quicker than most. And over the last few years, it's kind of been a little drier and drier each year. And that could be due to the coloring and all that, and I kind of slacked a bit, but I'm gonna pick back up on that. So if you guys want to see how I take my hair from straight to curly, keep on watching. So this is my hair after 4 weeks of being straight. As you can see, it is really stiff. It doesn't really have much movement anymore. Like, it doesn't just flow like it used to. It does smell really nice though. I can't lie and say that it doesn't. But what I like to do when I first get started is I like to take a mixture of oils. I'm going to use the Camille Rose Natural, growth oil or growth serum. Yeah, growth serum. And I'm going to mix them into this little purple bowl. Usually I would put it into a dropper, but because I have other oils in there, I have to use this bowl. So I'm just going to mix a little bit of the oils into this bowl. The next oil I like to use is Jamaican black castor oil. I'm just gonna mix a little bit of that in here. And of course, this is just what I mix, and I kind of just use any oils that I have in my bathroom, or you know, even olive oil, whatever I use. Some people do this the day before they decide to wash their hair. Some people do it a little earlier in the day and let it sit for about an hour, but me personally, because I like to wait till the last minute, I'm gonna do it now, and I'm gonna send it under my steamer. The next oil I'm gonna put on is the Argan Oil One and Only Oil Treatment. I'm gonna use a little bit of that, and you don't need a lot of these oils because I'm really only putting this on my scalp. I may put a little bit on my ends, but mainly I'm focusing this on my scalp to kind of loosen up the dirt and moisturize my hair. The next oil I'm gonna use is a little bit of almond oil, sweet almond oil. And I just mix a little bit of that, and then I'm just gonna mix it all together in this bowl. And this is gonna be messy because I don't have a dropper. So I'm just gonna take the oils and I'm gonna put this on my fingers and kind of rub it into my scalp. I just want to make sure that I rub this all over my scalp to kind of loosen any dirt that I have in my hair, moisturize my scalp, because my hair has been really dry from being straight. You know, when your hair is straight, you don't really have much moisture coming in, and you don't really want to add too much oil, because when you add too much oil, then your hair gets all greasy and it doesn't last as long. And since I like to let my hair last as long as possible, I try to use as least of oils that I could possibly use. So like I said, I'm just gonna take this oil and I'm just rubbing it into my scalp everywhere. Like, I'm trying to rub it everywhere into my scalp and make sure that every piece of my scalp is covered with this oil to loosen up all that dirt and to kind of moisturize my hair before I go in with shampoo. And then any excess oil that I have, because I have quite a bit and I've pretty much gotten this all over my scalp, I'm just gonna put the rest of this all over my hair. And especially on the ends. the mid shaft to ends because of all the color. I'm definitely gonna focus a lot of this on my ends. Okay, so now that my hair is nice and oiled and the oil is everywhere, I'm gonna go ahead and sit under my steamer, and then I'll meet you guys right back here in the shower so I can show you guys how I wash all of this out and get this all done. Hi guys, so you can see I'm back after steaming my hair and the oil is nice and soaked into my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the shower on and get my hair nice and wet so I can get a nice lather when I go in with my shampoo. Today I'm going to be going in with the Camille Rose Naturals Ginger Shampoo. And funny fact about me is I never used to use shampoos in the past. Shampoos used to dry my hair out so bad. But I find that I really do like this shampoo, and I tend to use it a lot when I'm trying to clarify my hair. So I'm going to work this in with the pads of my fingertips and try to get a nice little lather just on my scalp. As you can see, I'm not pulling this down on my ends because I just want the lather on my scalp. Sometimes I go ahead and add a little bit of water just to make sure I get a real thick lather. And then I'll go ahead and squeeze the excess onto my ends to kind of get that excess oil off. And then I'm going to go in with my massager brush from Vanity Planet and try to work that in some more to try to get the rest of the dirt and debris that may be still sitting on my scalp off. So after rinsing out that shampoo, sometimes I have to go in for a second time just to make sure that I got all of the oil off. But this time I'm going to go a little further and I'm going to add a little bit to my ends to make sure that I get all that excess oil off my hair. So after I've rinsed out that second lather of shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and use my Ovation Cell Therapy treatment. This is something new that I've added ever since I've been noticing my hair is very dry and it's been shedding a lot. This is supposed to promote longer, thicker, and stronger hair. So I go ahead and massage this into my scalp, and then I'll take the excess and go ahead and put it on the rest of my hair and my ends. And then I'm going to go ahead and comb that through just to make sure that it's nice and saturated everywhere, all over my hair. And especially since I didn't have much left, I really want to try to comb this through. So once that's rinsed out, I'm going to go in with my wind conditioner. This used to be my all-time favorite way to wash my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all throughout my hair. And then you can see that it has great slip, and I'm combing right through my hair. And you can see my curls are starting to come back a little bit just from this step. So instead of just immediately rinsing this out, I'm going to leave this on my hair for a second while I wash my face. And then once I do rinse this out, I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner. Today, I'm going to use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line by Shea Moisture. I really love this deep conditioner, especially because it's a growth and restore line that can help my hair, especially since I've just flat ironed my hair. I want to get that protein back in my hair, but also moisture at the same time. And this has a great balance of both. So I'm going to massage this in all through my hair and make sure I get it everywhere. Sometimes I use way too much product, but I'm going to make sure that I massage this everywhere and then go ahead and comb that through. So now I'm going to split my hair into two sections, and I'm going to go ahead and twist this up and clip it up out of the way because I'm going to go ahead and let this sit on my hair for a while I go ahead and do all the rest of my business while I'm in the shower. I'm back.
nice and clean. About to take down my hair, checking to see if these curls is popping, and yes they are. Thank the Lord Jesus. Looking just like they did right before I flat ironed my hair. So thank you Lord. I'm praying to the curl gods. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this conditioner out, at least most of the conditioner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair one last time before I get out the shower. I did want to include this small little clip to show you how much hair I lost. Not very much, very little, small little ball of hair.
Hi guys, here I am back out of the shower. As you can see, my curls are still here. Yes, I do know you guys see the transition where it gets a little looser on the ends, but it was already like that before I flat ironed my hair. Those are ends that are just like that. They usually curl back up once I style my hair. Tonight, I am actually not going to style my hair because I like to give my hair a little bit of a rest in between styling, because I'm not going to do anything but go to bed. It is 10:20 right now and I'm not going anywhere. So I'm going to take a little bit of this Perfect 7 leave-in treatment and spray this all over my head if I have any left. Not much. And make sure I get it everywhere, because I'm actually going to do another treatment on my hair a little later. And I'm just going to rub that all over my hair. And then I like to take just a little bit of a cream. So today I'm going to take the Moisture Milk by Camille Rose Naturals. As y'all can see, I only got a little bit left, but that's okay, because I just want something in my hair when I go to sleep tonight. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and rub that all over my hair real quick. Just take a little more. And I'm not really specific. I'm not going to section my hair out or anything like that. I'm literally just putting it all over my hair, just so I have something on my hair. You know, because you don't want to have your hair super dry. So I go ahead and put that on. Then I'm going to take my Denman brush and I'm just going to brush that all through my hair and make sure the product is everywhere throughout my hair, because this is what's going to moisturize my hair overnight. You know, because like I said, I do not like to style my hair at first because I like to let my hair breathe for a couple days after it's been straight. So as y'all can see, my curls are definitely back. They didn't go anywhere. They're still here, still curly. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate the support from everybody. Bye. See you next time.
I gotta keep myself in check sometimes, 'cause I tend to dream real big sometimes.